You are going to love the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power tailgate, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.